Dates offer several health benefits, including being rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They promote digestion, provide a quick energy boost due to their natural sugars, and contain antioxidants that may contribute to overall health. Dates also offer potassium, magnesium, and iron, supporting heart health, bone strength, and preventing anemia. However, moderation is key due to their high natural sugar content. Nutrient-rich. Dates are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins, like vitamin B6 and K, minerals, such as potassium, magnesium, and copper, and fiber. Energy boost. Their natural sugars, fructose and glucose, make dates a quick and effective source of energy, making them a great snack, especially during physical activities. 3. Digestive health. Dates contain soluble fiber, promoting digestive health by preventing constipation and supporting a healthy gut. 4. Rich in antioxidants. Dates are loaded with antioxidants, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and may contribute to overall health. 5. Heart health. The potassium in dates supports heart health by helping to regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of stroke. 6. Bone health. Dates contain minerals like phosphorus, magnesium, and calcium, contributing to maintaining healthy bones and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. 7. Natural sweetener. Dates can be used as a natural sweetener in recipes, offering a healthier alternative to refined sugars. 8. Anti-inflammatory properties. Some compounds in dates have anti-inflammatory effects, potentially reducing inflammation in the body. 9. Improved brain health. The nutrients in dates, including vitamins and antioxidants, may contribute to cognitive function and help protect against neurodegenerative diseases. 10. Weight management. Despite being sweet, dates can be a part of a balanced diet and may help with weight management due to their fiber content, which promotes satiety. Eating dates can be a delicious and nutritious choice. They're a good source of energy, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. Enjoy! In this video, I gave you information about dates. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and relatives so that everyone can benefit from this video. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching the entire video.